What's up, guys? My name is Jeff and I'm here with my 2000 Mustang GT, aka ReaperGT. I'm here with, I wouldn't say the first official video. My first video dropped last night. Amazing video. If you have not seen it yet, I would definitely go watch it. Amazing video, and it was well put together by me. But yeah, today we are going to be talking about how to make your car shoot flames. And I know this gets asked a lot around the car community. Oh, my 2000 Mustang 9904 Mustang is not shooting flames like I wanted to, blah blah blah. Well, I'm here to help you with that today. And if you're wondering, my car I shot flames. Yeah, as you can see right here. And also, my car is completely stock. No turbo, no supercharger. Oh my god, freaking cars interrupting me behind me. By the way, no turbo or supercharger. I am going to pop the hood. I'm going to show you this. And here it is. All that's been done to it is an SR Performance cold air intake. And it's got an upgraded, well, I wouldn't really say upgraded. It's pretty much the same as the stock one. But this one doesn't crack like the stock ones do, because this crossover is metal. But overall, it's pretty much the same thing. Just metal on the front, so that doesn't really do any performance. Doesn't improve performance or anything. Doesn't improve horsepower. So the only thing aftermarket under here is this cold air intake. And the other mods are a BBK off-road X pipe, which is something you will need for a two-step, and you also need a two-step. Well, kind of. You kind of really don't need it, but it's the easiest way to shoot flames with it. You're going to need a two-step most likely. BBK off-road X pipe. Oh my god, loud. Why do people make their daily drivers loud? Or if they have an exhaust leak, fix the sucker. But either way, what was I saying? Okay, you're going to need to get rid of your cats. That's no doubt about it. You need to get rid of your cats. And if you're wondering, does my car have a tune? No, I don't even have a tuner. I can't even afford one. But eventually I'm going to get a tuner. Right now my car is running rich due to the cats being gone. And I got MIL eliminators under there to eliminate the check engine light, so that that's gone. You don't have to worry about seeing that ugly check engine light on your dash. So, and I also have a muffler delete, no muffler, so it's basically straight pipe, stock manifolds. The only thing that's aftermarket on this car is the X pipe, cold air intake, and the two-step. I'm going to show you the two-step. It's an n2mb two-step, about $200 brand new. I got it for $100 off my buddy. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you now. Okay guys, I am now inside the car, and here is my two-step. So I wired it up under here so it's easy access to the computer port. You plug up to your computer, you set it up. If you have one, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, there's tutorials. Well, I can't really say there's tutorials out there, but there are instructions that come with it. How to wire it. But I'm going to give you instructions on how to set it up through the computer. And that's pretty basic. All you have to do is just copy my settings on the software. So I'm going to pull them up right here, right now. Here's my settings. You know, like I think my RPM is set at 3,500 RPM. My rev limiter is set at 5,000. And I don't pop flames with the launch control. I haven't done that yet. I don't know what setting that is. But I did pop flames by hitting the rev limiter feature, which is set to 5,000 RPMs. If you want over 5,000 RPMs, it's about 1,000 below red line. So it gives it, so it helps it from over revving, but also will backfire like crazy. I mean, it sounds like a cannon going off with a good amount of flame in the back of the car. So it's pretty simple. I'm thinking about hooking up my cheap GoPro to the back, see what I can get. It's pretty bright out. And oh my god, there's a dog over there. And that's not their dog, it's one of the stray dogs. Sorry, I got distracted. But I'm gonna hook up the GoPro to the back of the car. And yeah, it's not really a GoPro, it's some freaking generic Amazon brand. But either way, gonna do that, get some footage, and yeah. So see you guys on the back of the car. Alrighty, so I am at my spot where I'm gonna film. A little bit noisy with the car, so I hope you guys can hear me alright. So, got the GoPro on the car. Came out here because this road goes up to 50 miles an hour for the speed limit. So that'll be perfect. So yeah, I'm going to try to film as much as I can inside the car too to get my reaction. but it's gonna be hard to do since I don't have my GoPro suction mount, because sometimes I use this mount on my windshield for this camera that I'm carrying. So yeah, I'm just going to stay on the seat and you'll just hear my reaction. And yeah, so hopefully I don't blow anything up. There's no wood anywhere, so knock on car, hopefully that works. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically what you want to do is wind it all the way up to 5,000 RPMs where your set RPM is. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So wish me luck that I don't blow anything up. Setting the camera down there on the seat. See another Mustang brother coming up actually. Hello there, brother. V6 dude. It's all good. I don't care if V6 or not. Wait for this one car to pass. Gonna roll down my window for this too. That was a good one. Just got back home. That was a little bit of a fun ride. Tips aren't really burnt yet. Haven't done it too much yet, so man, I'm surprised like there's no black marks on the exhaust or on the bumper. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you want to see more car part reviews, I can fully review this two-step and go through every setting on here. And also, I have plenty of other aftermarket parts to review. I can review my wheels, my tail lights, my headlights, anything. Oh, and also, don't forget to check out my sponsor at toplabel.co for Instagram stickers. Very, 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 very top quality. Had these on here for a year. Have not cracked yet, and they are still good to go, like new. Use my promo code Reaper for 10% off Top Label merchandise. So yeah, see you guys later, and peace.